Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how you can integrate Zoom with Timetics, connect the app, and launch a meeting. First, go to Settings on the Timetics dashboard and click on Zoom. Here, you will have to paste your auth app client ID and client secret key. Firstly, let's copy the redirect URL for later use. Now, we need to use the auth token method to make the API connection for this integration. So, let's visit Zoom Marketplace. From here, choose Develop and select Build App. A new auth app will be generated. Let's rename it into Timetics AI. From the basic information panel, set your Choose App type. You can select Admin Managed App or User Managed App as you need. At this point, paste your previously copied redirect URL on Zoom auth redirect URL and auth allow list input fields and select Continue. Now, as there is nothing to set from the access field, simply select Continue. On the surface field, enable the fields where you want to use this app. And again, skip the embed area. Now, on the Add Scopes section, choose your preferred scopes from the account, user, and meeting panels. Hit the Done button to continue. Here, you can select and deselect any scopes as you need. Back on the local test, you can preview all your app listings. As we are almost done creating our auth app, copy the client ID and client secret key. Go back to Timetics, paste it on the designated areas. Saves. Our Zoom integration is done. Now, let's connect the staff account. Go to Staff Members, Manage, and select Integrations. Now, click on Connect. A new page will appear. Select Allow. Now, Zoom is connected successfully to your Timetics account. Now, let's create a meeting using Zoom on Timetics. Simply go to Meetings, select Zoom as the meeting media, fill out the booking form, and select Create Meeting. Go to the Meeting Preview section. where you can see your user's meeting form showcasing Zoom as the meeting media. That means Zoom is seamlessly connected to your Timetics account. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to follow our socials.